Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Taskbar settings so you can change position and behavior immediately. Right-click an empty area and choose Taskbar settings. Once done, make sure the taskbar is unlocked by toggling off-lock the taskbar. You need administrative access for deeper changes and should close any full-screen apps first because they can block interaction. Now that the basic prerequisites are set, proceed to change the taskbar position and visibility options within the Settings panel to slide it down. Once you're in Settings, choose Bottom under Taskbar Location on screen to place it down. You can also drag the bar if unlocked and your display supports it. Make sure Auto Hide is off if you want it visible or on for slide-down behavior when you hover. Toggle Use Small Taskbar buttons to change spacing. If the taskbar won't move, open Task Manager, find Windows Explorer, and restart it to refresh the UI. After that, test dragging and the position, change again to confirm it slides down correctly. Finish by locking the taskbar so your new placement stays put. Right-click and enable Lock the taskbar once it's where you want it. Make sure to restart the PC if you altered drivers, registry keys, or display settings so changes stick. If the taskbar still won't slide down, restart Windows Explorer from Task Manager, check display scaling and multi-monitor layout, and update GPU drivers. These steps resolve most stubborn cases. If none work, note the exact behavior so you can target the next fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.